Hi, this is my old motivair compressor. It's been made up with a fridgedaire compressor and a fridgedaire motor. As you can see, it's quite old. It's an old vintage. Looking at there, motivair, and it's a fridgedaire compressor. Quarter kilowatt motor. Not in the best of worlds, but it certainly does good. It goes up to 120 psi and cuts out. I'm going to show you it running. Here we go. And it also has a little air separator, oil and water separator on it. Here we go, so let's give it a go. Too noisy. I'd say this is made out of bits. A little bit of while before it comes up to pressure. Let's say it's starting to come up now. Just starting to. Don't know how old it is, but it's definitely vintage. I haven't got a clue what kind of capacity tank it is, but it does the job for what I need. Okay, the electrics is not the best, but it does actually work. The nameplate. I think this was a refrigeration unit pump. Yeah, it's coming up to pressure, slowly but surely. I didn't want to bore you with a long waiting for it to cut out, but we're getting up to pressure now. It's coming up about 100 psi. Just have a look at the gauge. Not easy to see. As you can see, it's got the drain points on it underneath there. There's also another one just under there. Again, not easy to see. Pressure's coming up. It's got a viewing window for the oil level there, the main oil fill level. I think she's twin stage, it's definitely a twin stage unit. I'll just move out of the way and see it. You've got your inlet, goes in that cylinder, back out of there. And back down to there. old motor too. I don't know the name motivair very well. It's just coming up pressure now, as you can see. We're going to get ready for it to cut out. There we go. She's now cut out. And for some reason that gauge is showing a little bit less than 120. I'll try and look at this one. Not easy to see. Oh, it is less than 110. It must be 110. But there you go. She's all up to pressure. I'll just let it go a little bit and we'll watch it go off again. There we go. God dear. There it goes again. Amazing the capacity. Alright, I'm going to cut it off now. Manually. There we go. And that is a motivair. Quite an old unit with a fridgedaire compressor. I'll just have a look at the motor. I can't. Oh yeah, it says fridgedaire on it. It's hard to see, but there you go. Can anyone shed any light on its age, or even the receiver's age? I don't know. Even if I recognise the compressor unit. Anyway, thanks for watching.